Okay, now we've got another game that I like. And we're gonna see. I haven't tried this with BB yet, so I don't know if he'll go for it. But this is kind of like those little cat toys. And you bounce it around, and then you kind of get the dogs, to chase it, to come after it, okay? So I'm gonna try this with BB and see if we can get him interested. Here we go. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. So you just kind of pull it away. Woo! Oh, he's got it. Oh, good boy, good boy. Yay, good boy, good boy. Woo! Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Gotcha, baby. Woo! Good boy, good boy. But this way you don't have to go anyplace. You don't have to really run with the dog. It's just about kind of motivating them to chase it. Yes, perfect. Good boy, good boy. Yay! Yay! Good boy, good boy. Oh, good boy. There it is. Woo. Good boy. He's like, I'm tired. I'm already tired. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Come on. Got it. You got it. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy, good boy. What you got? What you got? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Here we go. Good boy, good boy. Need to see. Oh, yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yes, yes, yes. Good boy. Yay. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy. And again, he's not one to really run too much, but this is a great activity just to help kind of, again, burn some energy, but it doesn't take a lot out of the human. Yeah, good boy. You're just a lazy puppy. You are lazy puppy. Look at you. Lazy, lazy puppy. Doing, doing, doing. Doing, doing, doing. Doing, doing, doing. Doing, doing, doing. Whoopsie. 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 There he is. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Yeah, there he is, there he is. Oh, he got it, he got it, he got it. Oh, he got it, he got it, he got it. Ah, good boy, good boy. Yay, good boy. Good baby. Yay, yay. Good boy. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Good boy.